This is the current state of my fridge. We need to do something about that. Let's unpack. Oh yeah? This is why I don't like cleaning out the fridge. I usually end up breaking it. Okay, much better. Still empty, but enough for one person at least.